Hey guys, it's Jake. In this video, I'll be talking about how to plan your clothing collection strategically. So number one, focus on your key pieces. These would be your essentials, staple pieces that make your brand recognizable. Examples would be off-white serifed cross and their work in progress industrial type of style. Advisory board crystals dyed pieces and their use of glitter and shimmery accents, or any monogram piece from a luxury brand. Number two, make it memorable. Maintain your identity throughout your collections. Do not confuse customers on who you are. Keep the collections new but recognizable. Quality is key. A proper clothing collection maintains a standard of quality amongst all offered items. If you sell a $600 hoodie that's super nice quality, then your $120 shirt better be the same caliber of quality that's possible for a shirt, so to match the caliber that the hoodie is at. Not only the look, but the feel of the garments should be at the same respective levels. Next is signature items. These are pieces that no one else sells, or a piece that you make far better than the competition. Examples would be again, Advisory Board Crystals dyed pieces, Ryder Studios monster hoodies, and Christopher Kite's transparent jewelry, just to name a few. Signature items and key pieces are pretty similar. Key pieces more so deal with maintaining brand identity, while signature items help you stand out even more. Example, Gucci bags are their signature item, and their basic Gucci logo tees would be key pieces. Next is transaction builders, or complementaries. These are products that complement each other. Example could be a hat with a color palette that pairs nicely with a jacket, or a belt that matches with a pair of pants. Items like hats, beanies, scarves, belts, jewelry, glasses, earrings, and so on. These are all additional products that amplify the cohesiveness of your collection's items, sort of like a glue. Next is profit generators, high margin items. These are products sold at high margins. Could be belts, jewelry, wallets, something that wouldn't be frowned upon if it was charged at a higher price. There is overlap between transaction builders and profit generators. A product can be both. Lastly are image enhancers. These are your wow pieces. These are pieces that help boost your brand image and aesthetic. Customers may not necessarily buy these, but it gets their attention and could lead to a like on a post or a comment or an email subscription or a purchase of a cheaper item. These are attention grabbers. An example would be a Vetmont shirt from a while ago that was like a button-up shirt sewn to the front of a normal shirt. It looks fucking stupid, but it got posted on Hypebeast, High Snobiety, and Complex, which is fantastic publicity. And that's it. Each category of item in your collection can serve a different purpose. Some are meant for traffic, others are meant for boosting sales. So try some of these out. Maybe they'll spark a new idea for a product you can offer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something. See ya.